Hi, sorry, this is part 2, technically part 3, because my Apple Pencil did it this time. Don't ask how. Anyways, so I did get finished with these two. For the dad, I don't remember what it was, but they basically all have the same. The kid's hair, these two are a little lighter than the rest of them, but I think it looks better, to be honest. It just looks a little weird on camera. Yeah, all of them are basically the same as the parents. I added glasses to the dad, and I gave her stuff on her face. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I gave her stuff on her face, and I gave him like a band-aid and stuff. She doesn't have anything. And next is the two toddlers, and I said that I'd do these ones with you guys, so let's do this. Oh, excuse me. Okay, I think this first one, I'm gonna make it the boy. Let's see. There was a specific hair that I was gonna use. I don't know where it went though. Bumbleclat. Where are you? We're not having another emo episode. Excuse me. Broski, where did it go? Dude. Oh, there it is. Okay. Actually, there. And that's it for him. Actually, we need to give him some proper clothing. I want to make them kind of match them, so I'll just put them in these. Oh. Well, I guess I could make them outfits. Let me do that. Okay, sorry if I sound a little different. Also, it's zoomed in a lot more. I'm sitting up now instead of laying down because my back and shoulders were starting to hurt. Yes, I am Unk now. Anyways, I did make them a new fit. It's that one. I think it kind of goes good with the theme that we have going on. Yeah. Now all we have to do is make the other toddler. So I'm gonna grind that real quick. Look at who joined us. Say hi, Stinky. Say hi. Stinky. My beautiful beloved cat. Okay, be free now. Anyways, I'm not done grinding. Okay, she's all done. There, okay. And now I think we should just go and get a family photo, I guess. Yeah. There's not enough room for them. The family's too big. Bro. I mean, I guess I could kind of stand in front of it. Wait, I want to see if that works. Okay, yeah, so it does work. So they can technically stand in front of it. Okay, so we're going to do that. Let me set them up. So I think I figured it out pretty much. Did mess up, so I did have to get rid of some of them. That's not gonna work because of that, so make them hold those again. Oops. Okay, so I give her that, and then I place her kind of like, oh my god. Just like that. And then okay. Oh, she blinked. Okay, there's that one. And then all we do for this next one, remove those two. Have her right there. And of course she was talking. Oh my god, focus. Excuse me, Jesus. There's that one. And then swap her out. That one. Boom. Okay, and now his turn. Just like that. And then now it's these two. These two. Yep. And then yeah, I'd say pretty good. Let me gather things up and go back to the house. On the way back to the house. We're here. Okay, here they are. Whoa, here they all are. I'm gonna get a box so then I can put the paintings in them because I'm not using them right now. Okay, I'm gonna put the paintings in the box and then we'll go on from there because I'm not turning this into a role play. I'll do that later though, so yeah. Okay, so I have all of these in a box now. I'm just going to bring it over to here, put it there to remind me. But yeah, now I'm going to do my outro. Okay, so that's it for the house tour slash character thing slash photo. I don't know. But I definitely think that at least by tomorrow, this should be posted by, today's Friday, so it should be posted either by tomorrow, aka Saturday, or Sunday, or possibly today, depending on how fast it uploads, but I'm not sure. I could have also screen recorded this, but I really didn't want to. Some of my videos from here on out might be screen recorded, depending on if I'm home alone or not, because I do use my dad's phone. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. Make sure to like and subscribe to turn on sound notifications to get notified whenever I upload. That's it. Bye.